Citizenship questions and answers. What is this? What is this? The flag of the United States, the flag. What are these? Stars, stars. What are these? What are these? Stripes, stripes, stripes. How many stars are on the flag? How many stars are on the flag? 50, 50, 50. How many stripes are on the flag? How many stripes are on the flag? How many stripes are on the flag? 13, 13, 13 stripes. Why does the flag have 50 stars? Why does the flag have 50 stars? Because there are 50 states. Because there are 50 states. What is the birthday of the United States? What is the birthday of the United States? July 4th, 1776. July 4th, 1776. July 4th, 1776. What is this? What is this? The U.S. Capitol. The U.S. Capitol. The U.S. Capitol. What is the capital of the United States? What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. What is this? The Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty. Where is the Statue of Liberty? Where is the Statue of Liberty? In New York. New York. New York. In New York. Finished.